Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off a game launcher function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for this option and how to turn it off. We need to go to Settings, then in Advanced Features. Here we have our game launcher. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this box and now this option is turned off. But what does it do? As you can see from this short explanation here, organize all your games all in one place and access extra features that enhance your gameplay experience. Very fascinating option, but now it's turned off as we wanted. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.